Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Indian politics related questions. These questions will be very helpful in all the competitive exams. So now we will see the questions along with the answers in detail. First question: who among the following does not give his resignation to the President of India? Options are Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Option 2. Attorney General of India. Option 3. Governors of the state. Fourth option, Lok Sabha Speaker. Right answer is option 4, Lok Sabha Speaker. Next. Article 18 of the Indian Constitution deals with. Options are right to equality, abolition of titles, abolition of child labor, abolition of untouchability. Correct answer is option 2, abolition of titles. Next. How many members are in the National Commission for Other Backward Class? Options 3, 6, 8, 4. Answer is option 4. There are 4 members in the National Commission for Other Backward Class. Next. Which of the following article remain in force during the national emergency? Options: Article 21, Article 32, Article 15, Article 19. Answer is option 1, Article 21. Next. What is the minimum age to be the member of Rajya Sabha? Options: 30 years, 25 years, 36 years, 35 years. Answer is option 1, 30 years. Next. To become a member of Lok Sabha, what should be the minimum age of the candidate? Options: 18 years, 25 years, 30 years, 35 years. Answer is option 2, 25 years. Next. The first union budget of independent India was presented by. Options: Jawaharlal Nehru, Morarji Ranchodi Desai, Vallabhbhai Bhai Patel, R.K. Shanmugh Shetty. And the options are Jawaharlal Nehru, option 2, Morarji Ranchodi Desai, Vallabhbhai Patel, R.K. Shanmugh Shetty. Right answer is option 2, R.K. Shanmugh Shetty. Next. Which article of the Indian Constitution gives the power to the government to make special provisions for the development of SC, ST, OBC against Article 15? Options: Article 19, Article 25, none of these, Article 29. Answer is option 4, Article 29. Next. Which of the following is not the fundamental duty for Indian citizens? Options: to develop the scientific temper and spirit of inquiry. Option 2. To obey all the women. Option 3. To protect and improve the natural environment. Option 4. To safeguard public property. Answer is option 2, to obey all the women. Next. What was the duration of Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy as the President of India? Options: 1962 to 1976. Option 2. 1977 to 1982. Option 3. None of these. Fourth option, 1967 to 1969. Correct answer is option 2, 1977 to 1982. Next. Lok Sabha Speaker takes the oath of the office from. Options: Prime Minister, Chief Judge of Supreme Court, President, no oath. Answer is option 4, no oath. Next. Which of the following is not the pillar of directive principle of state policy? Options: liberal principles, Gandhian principles, democratic principles, socio-economic principles. Correct answer is option 3, democratic principles. Next. Who is the current chairman of the National Commission for Other Backward Class? Options: Justice Savantar Kumar, Justice V. Ishwaraya, P.L. Punia, Najma Hiptullah. Right answer is option 2, Justice V. Ishwaraya. Next. National Commission for Other Backward Class came into effect from options: 1995, 1992, 1993, 2003. Answer is option 3, 1993. Next. Which article lays down the qualification for membership of the two houses of parliament? Options: Article 101, Article 72, Article 83, Article 65. Right answer is option 3, Article 83. Next. Union Budget of India is referred in which of the following article? Options: 212, Article 112, Article 180, Article 109. Answer is option 1, Article 112. Next. Which of the following articles is called the soul of the Constitution by Dr. Ambedkar? Options: Article 19, Article 15, Article 32, Article 368. And the answer is option 3, Article 32. Next. Which one of the following is not true? Options: additional criteria for disqualification may be provided by laws passed by the Parliament. Option 2. A person cannot remain simultaneously a member of both the houses of the Parliament or a member of either house of the Parliament and a member of state legislature. Option 3. Continuous absence from the Parliament for 70 days or more without permission may lead to the expulsion of the member from the concerned house. And the answer is option 3. Continuous absence from the Parliament for 70 days or more without permission may lead to expulsion of the member from the concerned house. So this statement is not true. Next. Under which condition a member of Parliament can lose his or her membership? Options: all of these. Option 2. If he declared to be of unsound mind by court. Option 3. If he or she holds an office of profit under the Union of State Government. Option 4. If he is a bankrupt. Right answer is option 1, all of these. Next. What is the current limit of creamy layer for OBC in India to decide the benefits of reservation? Options: 4.5 lakh per annum, 8 lakh per annum, 6 lakh per annum. Option 4, none of these. And the answer is option 3, 6 lakh per annum.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.